If you want to add a Google search bar in home screen on Nothing Phone 3, what you can do is you can open settings, over here open customization, and then we need to choose layout. Then we have the search bar option where we can choose web search. By doing so, if we apply these changes, as you can see, the Google search bar will be added to the bottom of the screen. And there is also one more way that allows you to add this Google search bar. What you need to do is simply press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen and then go to widgets. Then we're gonna swipe to the left in order to go to apps, and over here we need to find the Google app. We're gonna tap on the Google option in order to reveal all widgets from the Google app, and here you should be able to find the search bar. So we're gonna press and hold our finger, and then you can place it pretty much anywhere you wish it to be. So you don't have to have it at the bottom of the screen. You can just add it somewhere in the middle of the screen, for example, in the home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.